Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Chase digital wallet. First, ensure you have the Chase mobile app installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in securely using your credentials. Navigate to the main menu, usually found in the top corner, and look for the Digital Wallets or Add to Wallet option. This is your starting point for integrating your Chase cards. Once you're in the Digital Wallet section, you'll see an option to add a new card. Select the Chase credit or debit card you wish to use. You might need to enter some card details, like the card number and the 3-digit security code from the back. Chase will then guide you through a quick verification process, often involving a text message or email, to confirm it's really you. Using your new digital wallet is incredibly simple. When you're ready to pay, just look for the contactless payment symbol at the checkout. This symbol looks like 4 curved lines. Activate your digital wallet on your phone, then hold your device near the payment terminal. You'll typically confirm the purchase with a quick fingerprint scan, Face ID, or a passcode, making transactions fast and secure. Digital wallets provide robust security, encrypting your card details so merchants never see your actual card number. This significantly reduces fraud risk. Plus, the convenience of paying with just your phone or smartwatch is unmatched, saving you time at checkout. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.